Good morning, children. In this video, I'll tell you about the leftover components of the Microsoft Excel window. Clear? So today we will discuss about the first component, that is worksheet window. Children, once you open the Excel file, you will get a screen like this. Clear? Like this. You will get a screen like this. And this is called an Excel file or spreadsheet file or a workbook. Children, as the name suggests, is workbook. A workbook contains worksheets. So you should remember, by default we have got in a workbook 3 sheets, as you are able to see over here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. By default we have got 3 sheets in a workbook. एक workbook में 3 sheets होते हैं by default, and we can add up to a maximum of 255 worksheets. Clear? And the area that you are able to see over here, this is called the worksheet. I mean, this single sheet is called a worksheet, and this is called the work area. Clear? So worksheet is basically the sheet in a workbook. So you should remember, by default in a workbook we have got three worksheets, and we can add up to a maximum of 255 sheets. And if you want to add a sheet in this workbook, you have to click on the plus option over here, new sheet. Once I click on plus, one more sheet will be added to this workbook. So this way you can add a new sheet. After that is row and column heading. Children, as I already told you in the previous lecture, that if we move from left to right like this way, from left to right, that forms a row. इससे हम row कहते हैं. And rows are designated with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are used to represent the rows in a worksheet. While if you move from top to bottom, like from this to this, like this, top to bottom, these are called as columns. Columns are designated with A, B, C, D, like these letters, alphabets. Clear? So you should remember that row is in a worksheet is if we move from left to right. अगर हम left to right जाएंगे तो ये row होता है, और अगर हम from top to bottom जाएंगे, that forms a column. And one more important point is active cell. Children, now currently my pointer is in this cell. This is the currently selected cell that is in the column number E. That is in the column E and row number 11, and the address of this cell is displayed over here in name box E11. That means it is in column number E and row number 11. First column number is written, then after that we write the row name, row number. Clear? So that is the active cell. Active cell is basically the cell that is currently selected. For example, if I have to select this, I need to click this one. See, the address got changed over here. Clear? That is the active cell. After that are grid lines. Children, grid lines are basically, as you are able to see here over the small lines, these lines from left to right or top to bottom, these are also called as the grid lines. They form the rows and columns. Grid lines are basically the lines that form rows and columns, and these grid lines form the different cells. Clear? इन्हें हम, ये जो lines आपको नजर आ रहे हैं, इन्हें हम grid lines कहते हैं एक Excel sheet में. आफ्टर दैट इज माउस पॉइंटर. चिल्ड्रन, माउस पॉइंटर जैसे आप वर्ड में या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन में यू आर एबल टू सी दिस माउस पॉइंटर in the form of an arrow, small arrow, mouse pointer, but in Excel sheet you will be able to see it as a block plus sign. As you are able to see, आप प्लस देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, ये इससे हम क्या कहते हैं, माउस पॉइंटर कहते हैं. And it is in the, if this mouse pointer is in this work area, grid lines, it is in the form of a block plus, and if you move outside this, it will be in the form of an arrow. Clear? After that is scroll bar. Scroll bar हमारे पास दो टाइप के, एक vertical scroll bar and second one is horizontal scroll bar. Children, vertical scroll bar is used to move the page up or down. Clear? This way you can move the page or worksheet up and down. While if you move from left to right, that is you can do it with the help of a horizontal scroll bar. Clear? This way you can use the scroll bar. After that is split box. Children, split box is placed on the right side of this sheets tab. Sheet tab यहाँ पे होते हैं, उसके right side में ये वाला जो यहाँ पे 3 डॉट आपको नजर आते हैं, this is called the split box. You can इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द व्यू ऑफ योर पेज. ये देखो, आपका जो पेज है उसका हॉरिजॉन्टल जो स्क्रॉल बार है वो उसकी हम विड्थ भी बढ़ा सकते हैं, उसका हम विड्थ का इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं और डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं। क्लियर? सो दिस इज द स्प्लिट बॉक्स, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द व्यू ऑफ शीट टैब्स। क्लियर? ऐसे करके, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से हम ये स्प्लिट बॉक्स का यूज कर सकते हैं। आफ्टर दैट इज स्टेटस बार। स्टेटस बार चिल्ड्रन इज दिस in ready mode. Ready mode means status bar tells us about the display or we can say progress of the current tasks. जो हम अभी काम कर रहे हैं एक्सेल शीट पे, उसका जो स्टेटस बताता है ये स्टेटस बार. That means here it is ready. In ready mode, that means we can enter the data in this Excel sheet. Clear? Like this way. So this is, see, I have placed a cursor in this. Now if I want to write something, you are able to see it is in the enter mode. That means the current task we are doing is in, we have to enter the data. And similarly, if we move anywhere in the worksheet, it will be in the ready mode. Ready mode means that we can do what type of any task with this worksheet. Clear? After that is changing the active cell. Changing active cell means first I have clicked in this cell. Now I want to change this cell. I want to click on this cell. That is the changing of active cell, children. Now after that is entering data. Children, I have entered the data over here. Like I can write data, for example, class 5th. So that means entering data. I am entering the data in this worksheet. This way I can enter the data. That is the entering of data. After that we have got the changing views. Children, I already told you about this changing views. Changing views is we have got three types of views. First one is this normal view, second one is page layout view, and third one is page break preview. The view that you are currently viewing, जो आपको नजर आ रहा है उससे हम क्या कहते हैं, इससे हम नॉर्मल व्यू कहते हैं. सिमिलरली सेकेंड वन, ये जो आपको नजर आ रहा है अभी, इससे हम नॉर्मल व्यू कहते हैं. और अगर हम इसमें कंटिन्यूअस रोज और कॉलम्स हमें नजर आते हैं. इसी तरह अगर हम दूसरे वाले पेज लेआउट पे क्लिक करेंगे, तो पेज लेआउट पे क्लिक करने के बाद, एक मिनट, पेज लेआउट पे क्लिक करने के बाद आप देखो जैसे एक पेज में प्रिंट आउट जब हम निकालते हैं उस तरीके का पेज हमें पेज प्रिंट पेज लेआउट आता है. देखो यहाँ पे जैसे एक पेज प्रिंट निकालना है तो उसका पेज लेआउट यहाँ पे नजर आता है. इसी तरीके से दूसरा पेज. देन इज पेज ब्रेक प्रीव्यू. तो पेज ब्रेक प्रीव्यू में जब हम क्लिक करेंगे तो उसमें क्या आता है, जितने सेल्स में हमारा डेटा है बस वही हमें नजर आ जाएगा पेज ब्रेक प्रीव्यू में. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट इज सेविंग वर्कबुक. सेविंग वर्कबुक में क्या होगा, आप अपने जो आपने काम किया है वर्कबुक पे, उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसमें आप उसके बाद जब आपने डेटा एंटर किया है उसके बाद आप उससे सेव कर सकते हो. कैसे सेव कर सकते हो? फर्स्ट वी विल गो इन द नॉर्मल मोड, देन वी कैन सेव इट ईदर फ्रॉम द क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, और वी कैन गो ऑन द फाइल टैब. फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन सेव इट ओवर हियर. And last one is exit or close. We can, if we have to exit this, we can click on the cross button, close it. हम इससे इस Excel फाइल से close हो सकते हैं, exit हो सकते हैं. ठीक है? So this way we can use this Excel sheet. I hope all you have understood. If you have still any doubt, please let me know. And I request everyone to do the practicals of this chapter. Clear?